Hey guys, I'm just going to walk you through adding your courses to your Google Calendar, your iCalendar. So there's the Apple Sync button or the Google Sync button. So we're going to click the Google Sync button. You're going to choose your Google account that you want to sync it with and add it to your Google Calendar. And there you go. Now the due dates from that class have been added to your Google Calendar. So you can see the take notes on cell biology slides there. And all of the attachments as well that you've added into them will be there. So for instance, if you put a URL to a TED Talk on population density, the students can click that on their Google Calendar. And I'll just close this. And we'll exit back to our regular syllabi. And now I'll show you how it looks on your mobile device. You can also do it on the Apple Sync, which works the exact same way. But now, so if you're opening your mobile device, you can just open your Google Calendar immediately. If you've synced it on your Google Calendar on your computer, it'll sync on your mobile device. So this is where the students can see what's due in all their classes on their mobile devices, again with the URLs, taking them to whatever hyperlink you've added. And in Google Calendar too, you can also view the entire year in month format, which is very useful. You can go back to May, etc. Awesome, thanks guys.